If you want your makeup to look flawless, good and all day long like this, then keep watching this video. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Stylefit. Hope you are doing well. I am Janani and I love creating videos related to self-care, makeup and fashion. So today's video is all going to be about this base makeup routine, which is like my current go-to and the products that I absolutely love using currently. I'm going to share about everything with you all. So let's get started with the video without any further delay. First is skin prep, right? So skin prep is really important to have that flawless base makeup for every day. So I cleansed my face with Dot and Key hydrating face wash, which is like my go-to everyday AM routine cleanser. Next, I use this Innisfree green tea ceramide milk toner. So sometimes I tend to skip moisturizer during summers especially and go with such milky toners because they are so lightweight yet moisturizing. Can you see? It just provides the right amount of moisturization that my oily skin needs. So if you don't have such milky toners, you can always use your moisturizers, like your go-to moisturizers for your skin type. So yeah, after moisturizer, sunscreen is really important to use in your AM routine. So I'm going to use the sunscreen. So today I'm going to use this Lakme sunscreen, which is just so good, very lightweight, blends like a dream without any white cast, and I absolutely love it. Can you see? It just blends in seconds, no white cast. I really love how lightweight again it is, perfect for my oily skin, and this is just so good. Next for primer, I'm using my current favorite Forever 52 Pro primer. It's like a very good hydrating primer. It preps my skin so well. It just prevents the dryness or cakiness that makeup can sometimes do. So this is just so good. I really love this. Can you see? It just super hydrating. I really love my base makeup whenever I use this primer. I don't know why. It just helps to keep the makeup flawless yet hydrating and quite long lasting. If you're looking for a good hydrating primer that doesn't just make you like a disco ball or a heavy on your skin, you can definitely try out this one. It's just so good. Once I started using this, my makeup looks so good than before, and I really love this one. Next step is an orange corrector, right? So if you have dark circles or pigmentation like these, orange corrector is your go-to. So I'm using this Simply Numb orange corrector. This is in the shade Brick, and even with this, I really like the formula. It's just so good, blends like a dream, gives the right amount of, it is not too pigmented. It just provides the right amount of pigmentation that an orange corrector needs. So I'm just gonna dot very slightly on areas wherever I have hyperpigmentation and dark circles. And I'm gonna take a concealer. You can also use your fingers. I'm use the concealer brush to blend it well. Can you see? It just blends like a dream and it just provides the right amount of coverage. You can also build it up if you want a much more better coverage. Also, if you don't have much deep pigmentation like these, you can also skip the color correction and use an exact or one shade darker shade concealer to conceal some slight hyperpigmentation and dark circles. So if you have deep hyperpigmentation or dark circles like these, an orange corrector is a must-have in your routine. Next is a foundation, and for that I'm going to use this L'Oreal Infallible Cushion Foundation. Like this has become one of my go-to. It's one of my favorite foundation right now. So I'm in the shade 320C just for the information. So I'm just gonna tap off the excess. Can you look at that shade match? It's just so good, right? So it's a very good cushion foundation and it's great for all skin types as well. I really love the coverage. It provides medium to buildable coverage and great for everyday use. Yeah, it's very lightweight. I really love this formulation. So you can use any of your liquid foundation or cushion foundation according to your skin type and liking. So make sure that you have the best shade match so that your skin looks like skin but a better version of it. So like this. So I really love this foundation because it's not too matte. It's somewhere in between. It provides a hydrating skin-like finish, which I really like. Don't forget to take down your foundation to your ears and neck as well so that your makeup looks even, looks natural and so good. Can you see? My skin looks like skin but a better version of it without any hyperpigmentation, flaws, and it looks like even skin tone, right? So that's what a foundation needs to be done because it's very lightweight, so good for everyday use, and this cushion foundation is so worth it. So for everyday use, if you want your base makeup to look so good, you can just finish up with a liquid blush or a setting powder. But if you want to highlight your facial features, then you can use this concealer. So I'm going to use this highlighting concealer. It's from Simply Numb. It's their Hydra-Fit concealer, and I am using the shade Badam to just highlight my facial features very, very slightly. So it's a very good highlighting shade for my skin tone. So this highlighting shade usually helps to highlight your facial features because your face would look flat after a foundation, right? So this will help to bring back that good dimension and highlight your facial features so well. So I'm going to use again a concealer brush, and this brush from Mars Cosmetics is just so good, you guys. It has a angled brush, so it just blends in and the bristles are super soft, so good, and it's like under ₹300, so it's just worth it. You can just use this brush for your base makeup, and this is just so good. So as you can see, I'm blending the concealer. It just instantly highlights my facial features and makes my base makeup look so good. Can you see how beautiful my base makeup looks now? It's just so good. So if you want much more dimension to your face, you can use a cream or a liquid contour at this time. But for everyday use, we don't just use much of the contours, right? So I'm just going to skip that for today. So the next step is a blush, right? Liquid blushes are my go-to because it's long lasting. It's not going to move. It's not going to budge. And it just gives a beautiful natural flush of color that I really like. So for today, I'm using this Beauty liquid blush, and this is called the shade Lazy. It's a very beautiful purple blush. I really love it. Just 2 dots on both the side of your cheeks and you're gonna be so good. Again, I'm gonna use the same concealer brush so that there is not gonna be much pigment. Also, it has some concealer already, right? So it helps to blend the blush so well and make it look seamless. Can you see? It just blends in seconds. It's just so good. Even for blush and contour placements and application, this concealer brush is gonna be so good. Can you see? It looks natural. It isn't too flashy. It's just looking so good, right? So this step is like a must-have in my base makeup routine to make my skin look better and good. Next, if you know me, you would know how much I would have spoken about this particular loose powder, and it's from Beauty. It's their loose setting powder, and I have the shade Banana. So it's, and you see, it's like it's such a big, huge 30 gram tub, and only so much is left. It's gonna get empty soon, and I'm gonna restock it because it's just so good. So I'm gonna take the required amount of this loose powder. So once you pick it up with a puff applicator, it would look so much, right? So just dab off the excess on the hand and then go on with your application. So can you see? Just dab it, not too much. You do not need to bake as well, but if you want to bake, you can do it. So can you see? This powder just sets the makeup so well, blurs your skin and makes it look like filter, and it's just so good. One of my favorite loose powder for even for everyday use. It's just so good. Oh my god, every time I use it, I really love this one. So can also definitely give it a try and thank me later. Can you see the difference between both the sides? It's just so good, right? It keeps my makeup matte, fresh all day long, and I really like the blurry skin finish that it provides. So I'm going to complete the other side and I'll be right back. I'm really loving the base makeup routine, guys, because all the products used in today's video are my current go-to and favorites, and they keep my makeup so good. I really love it. So if you want to keep your makeup long lasting, for example, if you're going for an event or occasion, festive events, then you can check out this L'Oreal Infallible Setting Mist. So this 3-second matte setting mist. It keeps your base makeup matte, long lasting, smudge proof, waterproof, and whatever. It's just so good. You can definitely give it a try. For now, I'm not going to use it, but for any events or occasions, you can definitely use this one. I'll just complete my entire makeup and I'll be right back. So this is my completed look. After this, if you want a good much more flush of color, you can add a powder blush and a highlighter for that glowy dewy look. But for everyday use, and if you have like oily skin like mine, I would prefer a no highlighter look, because after a few hours our skin tends to look like a good natural highlighter, right? So it gives a beautiful glow. So I don't use much a highlighter, but especially for any special events, if you want that glowy dewy look, you can go for a highlighter. So otherwise, this base makeup looks so good like all day long, and I really love this base makeup. Hope you found this video helpful. If you do so, don't forget to smash the thumbs up button, comment down below what more videos do you want me to do next, and share this video with your friends and family. You can also check out my Instagram page stylefitwithjanu, and if you like to watch such long form review videos, makeup tutorials, fashion hauls and much more, you can also subscribe to my channel by clicking that red button and the bell icon, so that will be notified when I upload new videos. I will leave all the product names along with the links in the description box below, so you can definitely check them out. And until next time, bye bye.